Hello student, I am Pramod sir, your maths teacher. Welcome to everybody today's online class. Student, today again I am going to start your exercise 11.1 remaining question. So I have completed question number 1, 2 and 3 in my previous video. So today I am going to start from question number 4. So firstly I am writing the question. After this we solve it, student. So question number 4 is saying the perimeter of a rectangular sheet, the perimeter of a rectangular sheet is 100 centimeter if the length is 35 centimeter, find its breadth, find its breadth and also find the area. This is very easy question, student. Firstly, try to understand the meaning of the question. The perimeter of a rectangular sheet. Suppose that this is my rectangular sheet. Perimeter rectangular piece is 100 centimeter. Means the sum of this side and this side also is 100 centimeter. This is perimeter. You know very well. If the length is 35 centimeter, find its breadth and find the area. So student, for finding the area, because my sheet is in the shape of rectangle, so area of the rectangle is length into breadth, and length is given and breadth is absent. So how can we find out the area? It means firstly we need to find out the breadth of the rectangular sheet. For finding the breadth, perimeter is given, student, here. Look here. How can we find out the breadth of the rectangular sheet? By the help of perimeter. So student, which information is given? Firstly note it down. Perimeter of rectangular sheet is equal to 100 centimeter and length of rectangular sheet is equal to 35 centimeter. Question is asking me breadth of the rectangular sheet is equal to question mark and area of the rectangular sheet is equal to question mark. Two questions is asking me. So student, for finding the breadth, we take the help of the perimeter. So perimeter of rectangular sheet is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. You know, this is the formula. So put the given value, length is given and perimeter is given. So 100 we write on the place of perimeter. 100 is equal to 2 into length is given, student. Length is 35 centimeter 35 plus breadth. Now 100, 2 into 35, that is 70, plus 2b, and transpose 70 to the left side. So in right side we are adding, and when we transpose to the left side we have to subtract. So 2b is equal to 100 minus 70. 100 minus 70. So 2b is equal to 30, and 2 and b are multiplying to each other, and when we transpose 2 to the right side we have to divide. So b is equal to 30 upon 2, that is 15. 15 centimeter is the breadth of the rectangular sheet. Now student, we are able to find out the breadth, so we can easily find out the area of the rectangular sheet. So in above I am solving this part. Area of rectangular sheet is equal to length into breadth. Length is given, student, 35 centimeter, and breadth you have find out, that is 15 centimeter. Now multiply 15 5 ja 75, 5 7 is carry, 15 3 ja 45, 5 50 and 52, 525 centimeter square. 525 centimeter square is the area of the rectangular sheet and 15 is the breadth of the rectangular sheet. So student, I hope you have understood this question. So come to the next question, that is question number 5. Question number 5, student. All questions of the mensuration chapter are very most important, student. So you need to more practice of these questions. Question number 5 is saying, student, question number 5 is saying the area of a square park is the same as of a rectangular park if the side of the square park is 60 meter and the length of the rectangular park is 90 meter. Find the breadth of the rectangular park rectangular park. This is the question, student. So firstly, we understand the question, the meaning of the question. The area of a square park is the same of a rectangular park. This is a square park and this is a rectangular park. Suppose that both area are equal. Area of this square park and area of this rectangular park are same. And question is saying if the side of the square park is 60 meter, side of square park is 60 meter, and the length of the rectangular park is 90 meter. Then student, question is asking me find the breadth of the rectangular park. Find the breadth of the rectangular park. ये जो breadth है we need to find out. हमें find out करना है breadth of the rectangular park. So student, you know how can we find out the area of the square? So area of the square length of rectangular park is equal to 90 meter and side of square park is equal to 60 meter given, and we need to find out the breadth of rectangular park is equal to question mark. Breadth of the rectangular park. Area in one line. In one line you can solve this question, student. And area of square park is equal to area of rectangular park. It is given question. So how can we find out the area of the square park? Side into side, and area of rectangular park 2 into length plus breadth, student. Side is given, that is 60. So 60 into 60 is equal to 2 into length is given 90 meter. 90 on the place of length we can write 90 plus breadth. So when you multiply 2 into 90 we get 180 plus 2b, and when you multiply 60 into 60 that is 3600 meter square. 3600 meter square, and from here you can find out the breadth. So for finding the breadth, firstly we have to transpose 180 to the left side. So 2b 2b is equal to 3600 minus 180, that is 0, 10 minus 8, 2, 5 minus 1, 4 and 3, 2b. Now find out the b, transpose 2 to the right side, we have to divide, so b is equal to 3420 upon 2, and when you divide we get, student, 2 1 2, 2 7 14, 2 1 2 and 0, 710 meet. Sorry student, this is wrong because we are using wrong formula here by mistake. Area of the rectangular park is length into breadth, length into breadth, you know. Length into breadth. So length is given 90 into breadth is given, but breadth not given, so we need to find out the breadth. Directly we can transpose 90 to the left side, so 90b from here we can find out. This is wrong student. So 90b is equal to 3600, so b is equal to, we transpose 90 to the left side, we have to divide, so b is equal to 3600 upon 90, 9 cancel, 9 4 ja 36, 40 meter is the breadth, 40 meter is the breadth. Student, I have used the wrong formula, so I'm sorry student. For finding the area of the rectangle, we use the formula length into breadth, not 2 into L plus B, because we use the 2 into L plus B for finding the perimeter of the rectangle. So by mistake I have written, student, so you will correct this, L into B, so directly we can find out the breadth of the rectangular park. And question is asking me also breadth of the, find the breadth of the rectangular park. So student, I hope you have understood this question very well also. So student, in my next video I will start from question number 6, from the question number 6 of this exercise. So thank you student, thank you very much.